Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how to protect a sheet in your LibreOffice Calculator document in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your document, select the sheet here at the top, and unlike, for example, on LibreOffice Writer, you can apply a password protection to one sheet only. To do that, for example, if you'd like to protect the sheet from editing by your co-editors, but in general not password protect the entire document. So what you need to do is right click into the given sheet here at the bottom, select protect sheet, and here guys, enable this option, protect this sheet and its contents of protected cells. So you can, for example, create a password here, confirm it below, and you may also go through these permissions. For example, allow users to perform one of these or the selected actions. Click into OK, and that is going to enable the password protection in the bottom right corner, as you can see by that log icon. So you may right click into it, for example, select protect sheet, and disable this. And that's it. Don't forget to memorize your password, of course, otherwise you won't be able to access your own sheet here. That's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.